Hey, have you ever heard of CTS Cement Manufacturing Corporation? We're all about innovative construction solutions. Our products aren't just high quality, they're engineered to deliver exceptional results. Plus, if you need job site support or training or have questions about your project, we've got your back with award-winning service. Want to help the environment and save time? With RapidSet, you do both by completing projects sooner while building a more sustainable world. And who doesn't like that? We've saved billions of pounds of CO2 equivalent emissions on RapidSet cement production since 1990. We're a founding member of International Concrete Repair Institute. Our employees are active in the American Concrete Institute, American Society of Concrete Contractors, American Concrete Pavement Association, and American Society of Civil Engineers, just to name a few. Because we're immersed in the concrete and construction industries, we know how to develop the right solutions to meet your needs. And our materials aren't just used locally either. They're sold, specified, and used worldwide. So if you're ready to take your success to a higher level, it's time to learn what CTS Cement Manufacturing Corporation can do for you. Contact us at ctscement.com or call 800-929-3030.